half a banana whose skin is all dark and it has a lot of spots, but still the inside of the banana is good. What do you do it? Usually we toss it off in trash. But today I'm gonna make a healthy revitalizing hair mask. So let's get into making the hair mask. Friends, definitely try out this hair mask. You will be amazed at the results. After mashing the bananas nicely, I'm adding a tablespoon of honey and mixing it with a couple of teaspoons of homemade yogurt. You can substitute with any plain store-bought yogurt. There is no specific measurements, just everything is eyeballing. And I'm mixing it with gingerly oil or sesame oil, which can be substituted with almond oil or olive oil of your choice. Mix it nicely. Mix, mix, mix. Now I have a healthy hair mask from my own pantry, which costs next to nothing. I apply this banana mixture onto my hair and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes, and I wash it off using the shampoo in warm water. I apply this banana mixture onto my hair at least weekly once, and this has helped my hair to become less frizzy, and it also adds shine and smoothness to my hair strands. This has yogurt and it also helps in preventing dandruff, and the gingerly oil helps my strands become more stronger, and it has added more elasticity and helps prevent breakage. I hope you liked this video and it was useful to you. If you like it, please do share it with your friends and family. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future video updates. Thanks for watching. See you until next time. Bye bye.